It is bad enough being a victim of crime, having someone steal your stuff, but just imagine knowing where your stolen items are and not being able to get them back, even with police. That is what one Memphis woman has been dealing with for months.
And as WREG's April Thompson reports, a little-known law may be standing in her way.
I've never been a victim of a crime before, so it was really pretty shocking.
She asked us not to identify her, but she became a crime victim in April when her Memphis home was broken into.
About 6 p.m. I walked out of the house and I noticed a car kind of slowing down, but I didn't think too much of it. I mean, that happens all the time. And left, went to the work event, and when I came back around 10:30, I could immediately see that all of my kitchen cabinets were open, and I thought that was really strange.
Thieves had broken into her house.
When I got a little further in the house, I saw things disturbed, jewelry gone, and the back window had been broken, and someone just opened up the window and crawled in and took a lot of jewelry, no electronics.
But among the jewelry was her Rolex watch.
The watch for me was the first nice thing that I really had. I got it after I graduated from college, and I was just very proud to have it. It was the kind of thing I wanted to keep forever.
Police came, but she still didn't know if she would ever get her things back.
They got a Rolex watch. That was the thing with the serial number. So I thought if there was any chance of recovering anything, it would be that.
About a month after the burglary, she called police for an update.
I said, what happens if someone takes my watch out of town? What if it's out of state? What if it's somewhere else? And within about 30 minutes, he called me, said, we found your watch. It's at a pawn shop in Walls, Mississippi, and I thought that was a good thing.
But that good thought was short-lived. The crime victim says Memphis police told her since the watch was found in Mississippi, it was out of their jurisdiction, and she needed to call the DeSoto County Sheriff's Office. Listen to what she says DeSoto County officers told her.
They told me that they could not prove that the person who brought in my watch knew it was stolen, so they couldn't go after that person. And I was like, well, okay, how do you prove that, And he said, well, there's this law that exists.
She says the law, as explained to her, protects people who may have things in their home for years and they have no idea they were stolen until they try to sell them. They can't be arrested.
I was like, well, we know that's not the case because this watch was in my house April 22nd at 6 p.m. when I left. When I came back at 10:30, it was gone, and I reported it stolen, and I gave the serial number, and we know for a fact this watch wasn't anywhere else.
She says police told her a pregnant woman sold the watch to the pawn shop, but said she got it from a man.
This wasn't in this woman's possession. It was definitely mine, and it's mine, and it's stolen, and it's that watch. And he said that he couldn't do anything, that I should buy my watch back from the pawn shop.
You heard right. She says she was told to buy her own watch back from the pawn shop, something she is adamant she shouldn't have to do. So for months, she's been waiting and hoping to get back what's hers.
I don't know who is right and I don't know who is wrong, but I know that my stolen property is at that pawn shop. I know that. I've reported it. I reported it stolen. I've done everything right, and I don't understand how I'm not going to get it back.
WREG contacted the DeSoto County Sheriff's Office. They declined to talk with us on camera, but sent us a statement saying the ball is not in their court and they are in limbo. They also sent us a copy of the 1993 Mississippi Pawn Shop Act, showing that to get a stolen item back, a warrant must be sworn out against the person selling the item. If the item is found to be stolen and officers pick it up, the owner must pay the pawn shop before the item is returned. DeSoto County says the Memphis Police Department doesn't believe the pregnant woman is responsible for the theft, so they haven't charged her. DeSoto says it's in essence in limbo, waiting to hear from MPD. We contacted MPD. They told us they were looking into our request for information on the case. Meanwhile, this crime victim's Rolex sits at Keller's pawn shop. When we went there, we were told no one could comment on the case and they would have to consult their legal team. They did say there is no Rolex for sale at the pawn shop right now, and all pawn shop purchases are run through police, who decide what action to take and whether the pawn shop will take a loss.
They said, oh, well, he's in a bad spot now. now because he's bought this watch he can't sell. I'm like, I know, it's mine. So he can't sell it because it's stolen. They admit that this is my watch and that this watch is stolen. All of this to say, I don't understand how they can't prosecute someone.
For this crime victim, it feels like a never-ending circle.
They keep passing it to the other. MPD says that now it is out of their jurisdiction because this is in DeSoto County. DeSoto County says they're in limbo because Memphis isn't doing anything. And I just want to know how to move forward. No one will issue a warrant. My watch has just been sitting in DeSoto County for over 6 months.
April Thompson, WREG News Channel 3.
A troubling occurrence. The woman whose watch was stolen says detectives told her to get an attorney, but she doesn't think she needs one because she says she is a victim of a crime and law enforcement should solve it.